everyone, I'm Irene. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to read a fun book called Pop. Are you ready? Let's read together. Pop. It was a big day. Happy Pop Day! The kernels were leaving their jars for the first time to head to the microwave. Microwave. Otto was ready. Like the rest of the kernels, he'd been preparing for this moment. Pop Day prep. Oil. Heat. More oil. More heat. Pop! Look! Piper pop! There goes Connor! Pop! Otto couldn't wait for his turn. Once he popped, he could finally do all the fun things he'd been dreaming about from the jar. Like swim in big buckets of butter, drizzle himself in elegant swirl of chocolate, get sprinkled with shimmery, sparkly salt. Coat himself in shiny but sticky caramel. Roll in all kinds of cheese flavors, and even hang out with some nuts. Pop, pop, pop! Things were heating up. All around him, kernels were becoming popcorn. Pop, 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 pop. All the kernels, that is, except for one. Pop, pop! Nothing was happening to Otto. Otto waited until every kernel had popped. Then waited some more, but Otto never popped. Did he not use enough oil? Or get enough heat? No matter what he tried, Otto remained a kernel. For the new popcorn celebrated, Otto went back to his jar alone, where he stayed for a while. And a while longer, until one day Otto noticed his favorite smell floating by on the bridge. Butter! Otto couldn't resist. He followed the delicious smell through the jars, past the microwave, and up to a large yellow bowl. When Otto peeked inside, he couldn't believe his eyes. Hey, look, another kernel! Come on down! Let's party! He had thought butter was only for popcorn. His new friends disagreed. You can have fun whether you popped or not, or just have poop. All you need to do is leave the jar, and the rest is up to you. So Otto took a chance. And you know what? It was so much fun, it was nuts. Otto spat down the cheese, soaked it in the chocolate, and was the fastest butter spinner around. On the next pop day, Otto waited outside the microwave with a sign. Happy Pop or Not Day! Just in case there were other kernels who didn't know that it was okay not to pop. Or all you have flu! See you in the next time. Bye bye.